What is up, YouTube? It's your boy. I'm back. Got a halfway decent day, so figure, time to get a couple things done. To the car. So I'm gonna do a little quick how-to video, pretty much. Shout out to a buddy of mine that helped me out with this. Pretty much drawing a diagram and stuff, because I'm not really big on electrical work. So, but turn the camera and let you know what I'm doing. Be right back. Alright, so you can tell, got my front bumper off of the car. Gonna do a little bit to it. Try to get things straight. Luckily, quick release, 2 rubber bands. Bumper comes off, so it's easy for me. And yes, my car is dirty, if you can't tell. But it will be clean tomorrow, weather permitted. I will have it washed, at least washed, before Cars and Coffee Saturday. But what I'm going to do, I'm putting fog lights in. That way I have some fog lights. So, pretty much a how-to video for you guys. Because this is my first time wiring up fog lights like this, instead of just tapping into what fog lights were already in the cars. So, a little bit of a learning experience for me, and I'm going to pass it on to you guys, just in case, somebody else out there like me that don't know nothing about it. But, let me get in the house, get everything situated, and start the video for you guys. But first of all, don't forget to, subscribe to my channel, like the videos, share them, hit the notification bell, get notified when I post new videos. That's pretty much it. Walk around my junk. She's not too bad though. She's not too bad. I got a lot I'm getting ready to do to her soon, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, let me get in the house, take my dog in, and now get to the video. So back in the house, there's my fog lights, there's my bumper, do everything in the house, the heck with it, my wires. And I was coming back in, going through some things, and a buddy of mine that drew me the diagram, I happened to find it. So yeah. But yeah, I appreciate the diagram. I'm still going to probably use yours. And a little bit with that one too, so, Yeah, let me turn the camera around. Alright guys, got the camera around, got the bumper in the floor. I'm going to pretty much start the holes in the bumper to where I want to mount the fog lights. So, let's see. Easiest way to do it is once you find the spot where you want them, they come with the bracket on them. Just take the 3 screws out, take the bracket off. Makes it a lot easier to mount this first, then to mount this back. And with me, it's a lot easier for me because sometimes I can take my bumper off. So, makes it easier, I guess, for some people. So, yeah. Let me get the camera down here for you guys, and I'm going to start going ahead and doing this. I know it's a crappy place to have to put y'all, but, use the one with the bracket still on as a test of where I want it before I start doing anything. And always make sure that's where you want it before you start the holes, because if not, it's kind of hard. So that's what I wanted. Yeah. Let me go get a pen or a marker, so you know, take you out with me into the dungeon. Well, I do most of my videos on the inside, you know, nothing spectacular. Just in case any of y'all want to know. But yeah, I know I should have had everything ready before I start the video, but you know, raw footage. Bring it to y'all raw footage, you know, none of that edited stuff on this one. Whole lot of my videos I'm going to try to keep unedited as much as possible, except for maybe a couple things, you know, editing like pop-ups, little subscribe stuff like that. I might throw that in, but I'm going to try to keep the video as raw and realistic, as in not really trying to cut much out as possible, if y'all understand what I'm saying. So yeah, let me go ahead and mark my destination for the holes. Always good to have a pen, marker, something. But I'm gonna go ahead and mark up the other side. I know I said I'm gonna keep it raw, but I'm gonna kind of cut you on and off a little bit so I can get things pretty much done and walk y'all through it. Because unfortunately my battery's getting ready to die. So stay tuned. I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys. I know Uncle Sal's gonna do everything beforehand, but you know, I did one hole, and I'm just going to do it for you guys, show y'all what's going on. I know it's kind of hard to see everything. I need a different tripod, so. But, yeah. Pretty much, I'm using a screwdriver. I should have used my drill, but I really didn't feel like it. So, yeah. Yeah. Should have used it, but oh well. Didn't really feel like dealing with going back down to the shop. So yeah, I'm going to go with the hard way. Once you pretty much get it started, you know, it's simple, easy afterwards. You just got to start the hole. Make sure it goes all the way through. I'm just using another screw to start it and get it pretty much done. It makes it easier for me. Which, like I said, I should have used a drill, but I didn't. Then pretty much take the bolt that you're going to use, which of course I've got my bolts a little bit bigger than what the screw was, so I pretty much just have to screw them in like I did that. So yeah, I just do this, go ahead and get it, the hole stretched out to where I don't have to try to fight with it. But yeah, that's pretty much it to drill the holes. I'm doing it the hard way. I should have used the drill, but you know, things happen. Don't feel like using the drill. Well, really didn't feel like walking back outside. Go all the way down to the garage, then grab it. But yeah, oh well. I'm gonna get the plate mounted up. Start the other side, and I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back outside. Getting ready to run the wires and everything. We'll run the ground wire outside for the fog lights. Best thing to do for these is trying to find somewhere on the chassis somewhere, or bumper support, somewhere like that. It's got a good ground. I'm going to try it right here. If I ain't mistaken, that's a 13. Let's see. Yep. So pretty much, just make sure you got a good ground somewhere for it. because if not, it's not going to work well. Yeah, it looks like I'm about to try this a little different. Because this piece is not quite big enough, so we're going to stretch it a little bit and try it and pray that it works. I think it should. Also make sure it's clean, which this is clean enough for now. Sorry about the wind too, guys. It's windy. Snug her in. There we go. So yeah, like I said, sorry about the wind, guys. Got the bumper, just need to run the wires, then I'll stick the bumper on. Test the lights, make sure the ground works good enough. So yeah, only thing really to do now is, let me get in the car so y'all can hear me a little bit. Between sirens, Mustangs, and shit like that, running around here trying to test. Pretty much all that I gotta do now, figure out where I want to mount my switch, unless I want to run it to where I cut my headlights on my low beams. Inside ground runs to the battery, and run my hot wires through the firewall. This one run through the firewall. Find the ground, mount, cut them on, well, hook the bumper back up, see if they work, and that's pretty much it. So, let me flip the camera around, get some of this stuff taken out, get everything situated, and I'll be right back with you guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so, in the midst of taking some of the interior parts out to run some wires, my cigarette lighter in my Golf has not been working. It has a new cigarette lighter outlet and everything in it. Still didn't work. Fuse, it was good. So I don't know what the deal was. But did some research and stuff from a buddy of mine. Sorry guys, it's dark in the shop. There was a second fuse in there. Come to find out, in the Volkswagens, most of them, like this one, it has no motor no more. Sending it to the junkyard. Getting body parts and stuff out. But, come find out, cigarette lighters in these things had two fuses. One was good. I don't know how good y'all can see that with the focus. This one is shit. So, that being said, being that I have a spare one, go down in here, in the fuse box, and see if I can find another one that works. She looks good. Okay, so yeah, get y'all back up into the car, let y'all see what's going down, see what I've done so far. And like I said, the wind's kind of crazy. If y'all can't hear me because of the wind, I apologize. There's not much I can do, but here we go. Turn the camera over for you guys. Okay, still got to finish that, but yeah, bumper's off still. Bumper fell over, typical. But yeah, I took bottom part of the dash out right here so I can pull the fuse box down, find the ground wire, all that fun stuff. So yeah, let me get this fuse in, pray it works. Be right back after this. Cause I'm pretty sure y'all want to see me put the fuse in and check the cigarette lighter. If y'all do, then I'll stay here. Ah, hell. Why not? Y'all can not see nothing. So let me turn the camera. Okay. So let me slide this in. Squeeze my big ass up on this little dash. So that's in. Alright. Unfortunately, I gotta go in the house to get the keys. Typical. Leave it to me, right? Sorry for the way the camera is, guys. Like I said, I'm trying to give y'all as much raw footage, unedited videos as I can. Skip track. If it don't work, back to the drawing board. I've traced all the wires. Everything's good. Excuse me. So if anybody else is having this problem, where your cigarette lighter doesn't work, and the fuses are good, you're buying your cigarette lighter outlet, still not working. If you figure it out, comment below, hit me up on Instagram, let me know something, because I would love to get mine working. Hold on, guys, I can't see. Holy shit, Batman's. It works. Booyah! We got a cigarette lighter now. Don't nobody tell David. Even though he'll watch the video. Don't tell him. Because then he'll want me to lead everywhere. Keep it a secret. Just kidding, guys. He'll find out anyway, so. Yeah, so. Anyway, let me stand my tripod back. And let's get back to doing some work. I'm going to go ahead and hook the ground up because I actually found a good place to put the ground wire. Let me get a screwdriver. Gotta hate the mud, man. If I had four-wheel drive, it'd be different. So let's see if we can shove this in here. Let me tighten it back up. Let me try another hand. That should be a good ground because apparently there's another ground wire already there, so hopefully that'll work. If not, I'll find somewhere else. So now let me put the fuse box back up and mount it back in. Then we'll go to run some wire. That's back. Semi, I guess. There it goes. Alright, fuse box is back in. Cut my interior light off. Don't know where my battery did. So yeah, now it's time to find a hole through the firewall. pop the hood, run all that stuff. Sorry about the trains. I'm gonna go up here and pop the hood, be right back. Hope y'all didn't miss me. I know. I'm nothing worth missing. So yeah, here comes the fun part. Untangling wire. And loud trains. So much fun. So I figured, let's see. Best way to probably do this is go from up under the hood and coming back in. So, let me check, make sure it's got a fuse. Yes. And before I go to hook it up, guys, I am going to take the fuse out so it won't blow. So, don't worry. It's okay. I'm not a professional. At least I'm in it. So, let's go outside. Like I said, I'm trying to give y'all as much as I can. I know y'all don't like seeing me, but car things will come tomorrow. Car things will come to those who wait for it. Remember that, guys. No, that's a correct place to put y'all, but in this little car, there's really no good spot. So just bear with me. If the wind don't knock my camera over. Which guys, I think I have somewhere to go. You know, big hands, big arms, it's hard to get in these little holes. Take the cap off. Alright guys, let me go in here and see what this wire runs to. That runs absolutely nothing. So, go figure, right? But hey, can't complain for a car. Get you to pay $20 for it. $20 for this Golf. Thanks to family. They wanted to get rid of it. And knew that I really needed another car to mess with. But really at the time I needed something to drive because my Jetta was not running, in which if y'all can't tell it's not running now, but you know, things happen. Well, let's see. Oh, this wire, guys. So one thing I hate about electrical stuff. 95 feet of wire, and it always got to be tangled up. It never fails. Like I said, having fat arms and hands, it's hard to get things in here. Wind's blowing. In case y'all didn't hear. You know what? It's a pain in my butt. Especially when the wire wants to keep coming right back out. Alright. Now that that's in, let's see if we can go on the inside the car and find the wire. Knowing me, I probably won't. Sorry, my phone's acting stupid with the tripod. Cause yes, I'm still recording off my phone. But like I said, wired it, runs tapping, nothing. But you know, can't complain so much. But yeah, let me run it, feed this wire, and I'll be right back, guys. Be easier. Alright, guys. My phone's getting ready to die, but I ran the wire in the car, put the dash back together. Pretty much now I'm just going to put all the connectors together, see if they make sure they work. If the fog lights work, I'm going to put the bumper, well, hide some of these wires, put the bumper back on. That pretty much be it. So let me turn the camera around and show you what I did. Alright, so pretty much what I did, I took the bottom part of my dash off, ran my wire up, put the dash back together. Ran the wires to the firewall down there. I haven't really hid the wires yet, just got them hanging there, make sure, you know, see how it goes, make sure they work. Ran the wires out, ground wire. I got the bumper upside down. It's nice. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna test fit it. Well, not test fit it, test the wires. Make sure the follow lights come on. That reflection though. And she still ain't washed. But yeah, if they come on, great. I'll come back and let y'all see them on. But until then, guys, I'll be right back. So, in the middle of not videoing for you guys, thank God, because it's been a long video, I wired some things up wrong. So yeah. No, I didn't wire nothing up wrong. I just forgot to put the fuse back in for the fog lights. But yeah, I got them on, got them working. I guess I'm gonna turn the camera in for you guys and cut them on, let you see them. Alright, guys. There you go. Fog lights are on. Not too bad, I don't suppose. She don't look too bad, I guess. So, hold on. Show y'all what they look like, the headlights on. And there you go. Hey guys, so that's the video. No, it's supposed to be a how-to video, but it's pretty self-explanatory. I'll post a picture of the diagram. Of course, I know y'all seen it at the end of the video too. Not too bad. But yeah, y'all know the slogans, man. Subscribe to the channel, share, like, hit the notification bell. Get notified when I post more videos. Because this weekend, it's going down again, guys. Remember, Cars and Coffee Saturday. Davis Coilover Saturday evening. Sunday, Roxborough Drag Strip. Do some drag racing. Watch some drag racing. All that fun stuff. So yeah. Got another slogan. One love. Peace. Till next time. I'm out.